Let's see how the print button works. You can open any screen, for example, the chart of accounts, and take a look at how to preview the information you want to be printed. You can select the print button from the toolbar or from the menu tools or from the pop-up menu by right-clicking on the working area. Press this button and you can preview the information about the chart of account. In other words, you will be able to print the information located on the selected screen. There are additional buttons on the screen. With these buttons, you can manage the print forms, export them in different formats, downscale, and so on. For example, let's downsize this form or change it. You can also put colors, change fonts, and so on. The information about these changes can be found by using button style. It will be the topic of our next video lessons. Take into account this information will be printed in the same form as you prepare in the working area. For example, if you select this preview, it will be printed in the same form. You can also program the print button. Add new forms that you need. There are special button form options for this purpose. Press this button, use built-in screen, and add so many forms that you need. For example, in this case, we add 4 of them. Let's name a first one my form and save it by clicking OK. In this case, you will be able to print these new forms. You can view this form by clicking on the small arrow next to the print button. Here you can see these forms which has been prepared. The same form you can see also in the menu tools as well as in the pop-up menu. Let's take a look at how to program these print forms. This topic is not included in this course of video lessons, but anyway, let's see, for example, programming of my form. Use this button, open macro, and by double-clicking on the Report 1 Designer, the screen of the Report Designer will be opened, and you will be able to build up any form in it. For example, let's take from a report table account, the name of the account, like this, border it, and so on. You can enrich this form later. Save it as well as macro with this form in it, and let's see what kind of form you have built up. You must check this form you want to print. In this case, check my form, uncheck data grid. Let's only my form will be checked, and by clicking print button you will be able to preview exactly the same new form you have built up. Take into account that you can build several forms in this way. Check these forms and print them at once. In this case, let's print data grid and my form simultaneously. Click print button, and as you see, both of them will be printed.